So guys, today's topic is about top 10 strongest quirks in My Hero Academia. This list is only based on anime and it's my personal opinion only. If you people have your own list, you can comment down below. So now let's start this video without any delay. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Karasuno Seido. Number 10. Explosion. Explosion is owned by Katsuki Bakugo. This quirk allows him to secrete nitroglycerin like sweat from the palms of his hands and ignite it on command, allowing him to create strong explosions. The more he sweats, the stronger his explosions become. If Bakugo overuses this power, his forearms will start to ache. We have seen that Bakugo not only can use the explosions for attacking, but he can also use them to propel himself and navigate through the air at high speeds, allowing him to fly at his opponents without giving them the time to react and evade incoming attacks while in the air. The shockwave from an explosion can even be used as a shield. Number 9. Muscle Augmentation. Muscle Augmentation is the quirk used by a villain named Muscular. This quirk allows him to greatly amplify his own muscle fibers, even reaching a point where they can't be contained by his skin. These enhanced muscle fibers exponentially increases all of Muscular's physical abilities to a superhuman level, roughly on par with One for All. We have also seen him using this quirk for defense by covering his whole body in an armor of augmented muscle fibers. This quirk gives him immense strength, durability and speed. Muscular possesses a frightening level of impermeability to physical harm. He was able to take the full brunt of Deku's 100% Detroit Smash, which is on the same level as All Might's power without any serious injury. Number 8. Manifest. Manifest is owned by Amajiki Tamaki, who is third year student at UA. This quirk grants him the ability to manifest the physical characteristics of anything he is eaten. For example, if Tamaki eats takoyaki, he can transform his fingers into octopus tentacles. The more of a substance Tamaki eats, the stronger his manifestation will become. He can only manifest the traits of substances that are still in his digestive system and loses access to those traits once the substance is fully digested. He needs to resupply his quirk every day and needs to decide on what foods to eat beforehand. After vigorous training at UA, Tamaki is capable of using multiple manifestations at once, controlling the size of manifestation as well as being able to accurately choose the best features of whatever he is eaten to fit any given situation. Number 7. Whirlwind. Whirlwind is owned by Inasa Yoarashi, who is a first year student at Shikatsu High School. This quirk grants him the ability to freely manipulate the air around him over a very wide area. He can create incredible gusts of wind and has an extremely precise control over them. Inasa is also able to use whirlwinds for offensive purposes. He can attack his enemies and blow them away with winds powerful enough to break apart solid ice. He can also use the wind to increase his own mobility, and with aid of his costume, he is even able to fly. If in future Inasa is able to control this quirk to maximum extent, then this quirk will become even more powerful. Like he can even stop air supply to people's body and make them suffocate and die. No, that sounds really dangerous. Number 6. Hellflame. Hellflame is owned by Pro Hero Endeavor. This quirk allows him to produce and manipulate large amounts of extremely intense fire at will. He appears to be immune to other flames and can easily control the shape and temperature of the blaze at will. His level of control enables Endeavor to utilize his flames in unorthodox ways, such as concentrating flames and heat to his feet to achieve limited flight. He has been shown shaping his flames into long-range and melee weapons, such as when he struck a Nomu with a spear made of fire. There is a speculation that his flames reaches the temperature of more than 30,000 degrees Celsius because we have seen him burning the Nomu's head in literally seconds. But in reality, to completely burn a human body, it requires more than 800 degrees Celsius. That too takes more than 2 hours of time. Now we can understand how strong his quirk actually is. Number 5. Half Cold, Half Hot. Half Cold, Half Hot is owned by Todoroki Shoto. This quirk gives him the ability to generate ice from the right side of his body and generate fire from his left side. Due to years of rejecting his father, Shoto has developed a habit of favoring ice, even when the fire would be a better option. If Shoto overuses one element without utilizing the other, then his own body temperature will suffer. The ice half will cause frostbite and fire half will cause heat stroke. But Shoto can easily negate this weakness by alternating between ice and fire. I placed this quirk above Hellflame because if this quirk is controlled correctly, it has the potential to become the strongest quirk out there. Number 4. Overhaul. Overhaul is owned by a villain named Chisaki Kai. This quirk grants him the ability to disassemble anything he touches, as well as reassemble it in any configuration he desires, effectively giving him full control over matter. He can even disassemble people to kill them or reassemble them to heal their wounds. He can also do this to himself and even merge his body with others, even allowing him to use their quirks. He can also apparently regenerate his limbs without having to make contact with himself and can reform and reshape their bodies at any way he wants. In battle, Chisaki can freely manipulate his surroundings. He can modify the ground to navigate himself and reshape the area into a state that is advantageous for him and harmful for his opponents. By touching his targets, he can completely blow their body apart. Number 3. Rewind. Rewind is owned by a small girl named Eri. Eri's quirk allows her to reverse a living individual's body to a previous state, allowing her to make her target physically younger, heal injuries, and undo bodily modifications. She has even shown the ability to rewind someone's body to a point before they existed. The source of her power is located in the horn on her head, and the size of the horn indicates the strength of her power. It is a accumulation type quirk, which means the power it emits has to build up over a period of time before becoming usable. As a result of her quirk mutating her body, Eri's blade is able to attack an individual's quirk and stop its activation by reversing the target's evolution before the point of the quirk phenomenon. Number 2. One for All. One for All was first owned by All for One's younger brother. All for One gave the quirk which stockpiled the power to his younger brother, whom he thought was quirkless, but actually he has the quirk that allows him to transfer his quirk to the others. The combination of both these quirks gave birth to One for All. After being passed down from generations, the current owner of One for All is Midoriya Izuku, the main protagonist of My Hero Academia. One for All allows the user to stockpile an enormous amount of raw power, allowing them to significantly enhance all of their physical abilities to a superhuman level. This results in unbelievable levels of strength, speed, agility, and durability. The user can focus the stockpiled power into a single body part or spread the power evenly throughout their body, although focusing the power puts a great strain on the part of the body where the power is focused. The user is also able to control the percentage of power that they activate. One for All can even grant the user an exceptional strength boost for their given quirk if they have any. So guys, before we get to the top 1, I have some few honorable mentions which could have easily made it into top 10 depending on the circumstances. Starting with the quirk Black Hole. It is owned by Space Hero 13. This quirk allows 13 to create small black holes through her fingers. Next quirk is Eraser. This is owned by Aizawa Shoto. This quirk allows him to cancel out other quirk powers and abilities simply by looking at the target. Next quirk is Brainwashing. This quirk is owned by Hitoshi Shinso. It allows him to assume control of anyone who responds to his statements, forcing them to do as he says. Now some people might think why I haven't included Mirio's quirk Permeation in this list. Actually, Mirio's quirk is not all that powerful, but it's Mirio that made it powerful by his own hard work. And the final honorable mention is Copy. Copy is the quirk used by Monama. This allows him to copy any quirk after coming into contact with the original owner, and he can even copy and use multiple quirks at the same time. Number 1. All for One. All for One is owned by the villain named All for One. All for One allows the user to steal the quirks of others and wield those stolen powers as their own or to transfer them to someone else. The process of giving and taking away quirks is done through touch. People who have their quirks stolen become quirkless, losing any sort of abnormal abilities if they happen to be mutant types. When quirks are stolen, the victim becomes disoriented and immobile for a short period of time. Meanwhile, quirkless people who receive a quirk through All for One become capable of manifesting all of its attributes. All for One can be used to combine several quirks in order to create devastating techniques, which would normally not be possible with the usage of only one quirk. Even though All for One lost the battle against All Might, who was the previous owner of One for All, I still believe that All for One is the strongest quirk in My Hero Academia. Thank you for watching. That's all for this video. I will be back again with some new topic. If you like this video, please like and share. Also subscribe to my channel.